Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update TikTok on Android 2023. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Play Store app and then tap on your profile on the top right, then go to Manage App and Device. From here, you'll get to see updates available. Tap on it. Here you'll get to see all the apps which has updates available. So scroll through and check if TikTok is here. If it's not, then it means TikTok is updated. But if it's here, all you have to do is tap on Update. Your TikTok update will start downloading on your phone. Now go back and tap on the search bar. Search for TikTok and then open TikTok. So here, if you see the open option, that means your TikTok is updated to the latest version. But if it says update, it means you need to update your app. So here, as you can see, our TikTok app is up to date, so we do not have the option to update. Now, go back to the home page. From here, tap on your profile on the top right. And after that, tap on Settings. Now, you need to tap on Network Preferences. Here, you need to tap on Auto Update Apps. Here, you'll get to see a few options. So tap on the first one which says over any network. You can also select over Wi-Fi only and then tap on OK. So you can do this if you do not want to update your apps manually. Your apps will get updated automatically. So that is how you update TikTok on Android 2023.